Are you looking at your die cut costs and wondering why it's more expensive than you thought it would be? It could be because of the tight tolerances of your design. In this video, we'll go over what tolerances are, how they're determined, and how they affect the cost of your die cut. A tolerance is a designated number that a part is allowed to be within. For instance, if you have a 1-inch circle, it's never going to be perfectly a 1-inch circle. It's always going to be 1.001 or 1.02. And so that tolerance determines how much over or under you can be within that 1-inch range. A tolerance is typically defined through a process. So typically engineers look at what the part is going into, what other factors that may play into creating that part, and where interferences might be that may affect the overall function of the part. The aspect of the design that affect the tolerance are size, complexity, materials, and thickness. Tolerances are critical because if they're not met, a lot of times they can cause a failure within a part, and it can also negatively affect price depending on if they are super tight or what stipulations we may have to do in order to run a part within a tight tolerance spec. When determining a looser versus tighter tolerance, your application really is what drives it. That being said, there are functional tolerances, and that is the key. You want a happy medium. You don't want something that's super tight and not manufacturable, but you don't want something that's super loose and is going to fail within your application. Having a super tight tolerance when it's unneeded is going to have negative drawbacks later down the line as you're sourcing your converted part goods, and when you're having stack ups of other parts which are sourced throughout the process as well. Tolerance often drives the manufacturing method. We use a wide variety such as rotary, flatbed, and laser. All three of those methods certainly have their benefits and their drawbacks. A tighter tolerance can determine which one this falls into. Doing so may affect the speed in which your product runs, which is going to affect the overall price you pay for your product. Your converter will help you determine which of these processes is most efficient to produce your part for the best price. A tighter tolerance can increase a project's cost by needing advanced and specialized equipment for inspections, increased frequency for quality inspections, increased tool changeover rate, more downstream delays. Tolerances can increase assembly and labor costs, lower rate of acceptable products, and higher scrap rate, which leads to more material needed. Over the years, we've run a bunch of different products with a lot of different materials, with a wide range of different tolerances. We can often work with you to determine functional tolerances within your part and be able to manufacture it at the highest rate to give you the best part price. Tolerances are a crucial part of the die cutting process, and making sure you have the perfect balance of tight tolerances and functional parts is the best way to get the best product at a reasonable cost. If you have any questions, feel free to look at our Learning Center on our website or reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.